everyone, Sir Fox and Friends here, and guess what? I've got little surprises with me. Here's Olaf and her kittens. Look at that, isn't that precious? They were just born yesterday. Oh, now she's trying to... What are you doing? Olaf, you're so beautiful. I'm gonna touch you. The babies are so beautiful. So yeah, the one outside is a big brother now. Let's see who I can get on my camera. Let's see who's out here. Oh, we got Little P. Yeah. We've got Star Fox, who just came home yesterday too.
Yeah.
The day kittens come is the day you come home.
It's so funny.
We've got the Krabby and ever-loving Willie. Say hello, Willie. Hey. And then we've got the group right here. We've got
The baby
Big
dad
Brother
is
Tinkerbell,
Yeah, he's gonna be Big Brother.
Pearl,
Puppy.
Puppy, which one of the kittens looks like him?
Yeah, I know. Right?
And then that's Bandit.
It's like he can be a father of one of the kittens.
Bandit and Puppy usually don't like being
Scared.
touched. Oh, don't be afraid of a tablet. It's not gonna hurt you. Uh-oh. And we've got Grumpy Archie.
Grumpy? He's a good Archie.
He was grumpy towards Tinkerbell and Snowball and Pearl.
Mom, let's see if there's any cats in
Hey, can you see if you can find Snowball in them?
Let's look over here. I think that'll be okay.
Could you get my shoes? I'm not walking out of here without my shoes.
You